I'm a year-round celebrator, but when it comes to big holidays like Halloween, there's no stopping the tricks and treats. For my family, celebrations come with traditions, from baking the same foods every year to collecting special collectibles. My mom had collectibles that she collected every year, and we would bake the same foods, so our holidays are rich in tradition. For my family, we're collecting a Lemax house every year to build our very own special village. Lemax is a family-run company rich in tradition since 1990, so I know that they put love and affection into all of the houses that they create. Last year, I went big with a big Spooky Town village setup, but this year, I'm actually going to go smaller with small setups throughout my house. Today, I'm going to show you 5 easy setups using my favorite Lemax Spooky Town houses and accessories. Let's go start our spooky adventure. This spooky fun starts at the fireplace. This is the largest of my 5 setups. What you can see is that I actually took my fireplace that had traditional decor on it, took everything off except the clock to keep a staple piece, and then added in some Halloween decorations and my favorite pieces from Lemax Spooky Town. Check it out. My favorite house in this setup is the Ghoulish Gourd Pub and Grill. It lights up, plays music, and it has so many interactive features like the 2 pumpkins on the roof. One revolves back and forth, and the other one pops up and down with different good and evil faces. On each end of the fireplace, we have the squash shack that lights up and the spooky hollow pumpkin patch that has fun lights and gives you the thought of being at a pumpkin patch. Throughout the fireplace, I added in some small accessories, and I have my very own spooky fireplace. Kitchens are often a hard place to decorate for the holidays. I love how easy it is to do a quick setup with my Spooky Town accessories and houses. So for this setup, I took 2 crates, popped them upside down, and then took an extra piece of AstroTurf I had in the garage to create some grass. For the smaller setup, I added in my pumpkin haul countdown so my family can easily count down to Halloween by adding and removing the pieces. I added in 2 of the cute little trick-or-treaters, and then I took the Ghoulish Gourd Pub and Grill that we had on the fireplace as my big interactive piece. I love that Lemax pieces are so versatile. They can go from the fireplace to the kitchen or even a shelf and add the perfect Halloween touch to your home. For my sofa table, I went with a friendly pumpkin theme, starting with an orange plaid table runner and then using Spooky Town platform. It comes in 3 different pieces, or you can line them up nicely to create one large platform. I'm gonna finish off this design by adding in the Spooky Town pumpkin patch that lights up. I've also filled in the design with some of my other favorite accessories, like the pumpkin festival piece. And then the star of the show over here is the pumpkin tilt and hurl. The pumpkins twirl around on a rotating platform, and it's got string lights that light up as well as a lighted base. And of course, it's got some festive spooky music. Bookshelves are one of my favorite pieces of furniture to use to decorate for the holidays. It's so quick and easy to set up. Just clear out the shelves and then add in your favorite Spooky Town accessories and houses on each shelf. For the top of the bookshelf, I had some fun with the pumpkin tilt and hurl, and then I added a DIY element to complete the top of the shelf. I took paper mache books and turned them into spooky witches spell books. All I did was take some hot glue and add a design and write out spellbook in hot glue, and then I painted it with black and purple acrylic paint. They work great for adding in accents to complete your look. Last but not least, let's talk about the kitchen table. One of my favorite things to do for the holidays is entertain. I love designing the perfect tablescapes, but I like to keep it simple. So what I did with this tablescape was I actually used the 2 end pieces of the Spooky Town platform and then a bunch of my smaller accessories to create an easy setup that I can get done in 5 minutes before I'm ready for a ghoulish dinner party. Whether you're a longtime collector or just starting your own collection, it's a special tradition to start with your family. I'm so excited to carry this tradition on with my family. And you can find all of these new Spooky Town products, plus all the other traditional Spooky Town accessories and houses at lemaxcollection.com. This year is the 20th anniversary of Lemax Spooky Town, and in the coming weeks, they're going to be releasing special edition celebration products. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram for announcements coming soon. You can purchase Lemax products at my favorite craft store, Michael's Stores. as well as Ace Hardware, Maynard's, and online stores like eHobby Tools and Gift Spice. I hope you have a spooky Halloween and enjoy celebrating with your family. Visit craftboxgirls.com to get more photos and video of my family collecting Lemax for all of my favorite holidays.